Hi, it's Peter Johnson here, and I just quickly wanted to take you through the process of logging into your account so as you can access the training courses under the Time Retrievers Time Management and Team Development programs. Once you enroll into the programs, you'll receive your emails notifying you of your enrolment and welcome you to the program. One will show you the login links for you to be able to log in and set up an account and create your password. And the second email will show the different courses that you're enrolled in, and over time that'll actually be quite a long list. So once you've got that, you click on the link to log in the email. That'll bring you to this page, and then you simply put in your email address and your password as we have there, and sign into the program. Now, initially, as you can see, logging into here, this is a testing login that I use, so it shows the affiliate information, and if you are an affiliate for the Time Retrievers online programs, then this is your page that you'll come to. If not, you'll just go straight into your dashboard. Now, the dashboard that you will log into will look like this. As you can see, it's got my courses and it has the various courses that are there to you. But what I suggest is you go to the top link and click all courses, because that's going to take you to a page where you can see across the top here there's a series of links, and depending on what you've enrolled into as to which of these links are, these show the categories that the courses are placed in the system, and it's an easier way to source the courses that you want to look for at any particular time. So we can see here that we've got childcare centre marketing for centres. There's one here, an overview as we go through time, and as I've mentioned in the marketing material, we will be adding more and more courses to this program. There's leadership skills development, so we can see there courses. We can see at the bottom here where the courses go over a page. You just keep clicking over. There's 6 courses shown per page, so again those pages will increase as there's more courses added to the program. Team development and mini courses as well. Now what you'll notice there is some of these are the same as in leadership, so initially some of them are the same, and what I've done is, instead of trying to remember where they are, I've put them in both categories so as it's easier to find them. And the last one is the time management courses. If you've enrolled into the full-blown time management courses, you click that, and as you can see here, they're 3-part programs. So there's one course, there's the second course, there's the third course in the overall time management program. Again, remember, it's not just about planning your day and having a to-do list. There's a whole series of skills that this program takes you through that enables you to actually get things done in your day. So that's why there's 3 courses making up the whole program. Now, if we just click back into one of the mini course setups, all we do is look for the one that we're looking to run for the day. We decide which one we'd like to do. And one of the ones I recommend that you actually do initially is the above and below the line. This is a specific course about people's attitudes towards their work, about taking ownership and accountability for doing things rather than living below the line and blaming everything else and having excuses and that. I'm just going to click on that course. Now when we go in at first, we click on it, it comes to its landing page, and that just has the title and a brief description and the curriculum. As you can see here, it says resume the course, and we go into it, and because we've been accessing it backwards and forwards, it's gone straight into the video lesson. You'll notice the video generally starts straight away. We just stop it. But what would happen normally as you come into this course, it would come into this page first, which is the materials. As you can see, they're downloadable documents. The facilitator guide for the above and below the line mini course. So you can download that guide print it out and then just simply work through it to deliver the program. The second document here that we need to download is the workbook. So they're mini workbooks that you print out, so as you can give a copy to each of your team members that are going to be on the program, and that way they can take their notes and those sorts of things to remember what they've learnt. What I recommend is that each of your team members have a binder, 3-ring binder, or whichever size type you'd normally use. Have a page on the front that says it's the Time Retrievers Team and Leadership Mini courses, and you hole punch these as you print them out. Hole punch them, give them to the team members, and they can place them into their binders. That way all the material's in the one place for them, so as if they look to review it or go back through it or question anything, they can do that. Now, as soon as you've printed the material out, we just simply hit continue, and that will take us straight into the video. Now, the video, you would have your computer hooked up to the large screen that you've got, or if you're just simply using a large TV screen that's used on directly linked to the internet, then you would be logging in through that and accessing the courses, or your computer linked up to your data projector so as you can project it onto a whiteboard or a screen or something like that. You would simply connect it up and then click the full screen, so as it's got the full screen capability, and then you're able to then run the program and run the video. And then once the video is completed, you would then have that general discussion with the team. The facilitator's notes has some questions that you can, prompting questions that you can use. You'll probably have some of your own. So as there's a discussion between everyone about what they've learnt from the material and how they can utilise it going forward. So that's how we access the material in the system. It is simply log in, and the best way to access it is to go to that All Courses page here and simply click on the category and then search for the courses in the category. So again, welcome to the program. We look forward to working with you. Remember, we have our Ask the Time Retrievers sessions each month, and also you can send us information, queries, questions on the system or on your skills and helping you develop your skills, and we will reply to you. So I hope you enjoy the material. It's there for you as long as you're subscribed 365 days a year to utilise in your meetings, team meetings, or on your professional development days, or ad hoc with individual and team members as you need to. That's our primary purpose, is to be able to provide this sort of training at an affordable price as and when you need it, irrespective of where you're located. Okay, bye for now. I hope you enjoy the course. Drop us a line if you need any feedback.